The test for racial discrimination in employment practice was a study commissioned by the Department for Work and Pensions and was looking for whether there was direct evidence of racial discrimination in the recruitment process. So the test involved us developing applications for over 1,000 job adverts. So we sent sets of 3 applications which were equivalent in terms of their qualifications and the experience that people had. And the only difference between them, we randomly allocated a name at the end of the process which conveyed the ethnicity of the applicant. The study found substantial levels of discrimination, so we had to send out 74% more applications from black and minority ethnic groups to get the same level of callback for interview compared to white groups. So a really stark and quite shocking level of difference there. Our recommendation from the study was that employers should be encouraged and enabled to develop forms, standard forms for an application process. So rather than asking people to send in CVs, produce a standard form where personal details could be kept separate from qualifications for the job, and then implement a process to make sure that those 2 things aren't brought together when deciding who should get the job. What the study found was that when you separate those 2 things, personal details and the qualifications for the job, then there is no evidence of discrimination at all. It completely disappears. We reported back to the Department for Work and Pensions, to the group who were dealing with equality matters there, and got some good feedback from them and some guidance about how to take that forward. And we subsequently presented it to a cross-departmental ministerial meeting, a task force that was looking at minority ethnic employment, and they had brought together business leaders, and so we were able to make that point about producing a standard process that could eliminate this discrimination to that setting. So the study found significant levels of discrimination, and it was also able to produce a clear recommendation for government about how this might start to be addressed.